Hello, I J Vijay Chandra welcomes you to WITS Connect. Today I am going to explain you regarding the crypt arithmetic problem from artificial intelligence subject. Crypt arithmetic. See, it's a part of arithmetic as well as cryptography. Cryptography ante coding. So cryptography is nothing but వేరే వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కాకుండా మనకు మాత్రమే అర్థమయ్యేందుకు some code they used to do, that is nothing but cryptography. Cryptography plus arithmetic is crypt arithmetic. It's a part of artificial intelligence. Here arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division generally. Cryptography means which is giving some code. So these are actually send plus more equal to money. It is in the form of a number. Actually every alphabet here is having numbers from 0 to 9. In between 0 to 9 all the alphabets having some numbers. It may be anything, but you have to solve the problem for based on this particular arithmetic. That means send, SEND, send plus more gives the output as money. Okay, here repeated terms are E. E is having one number and O are the repeating terms. M is the repeating term. Okay, so all these alphabets SEND, MORE, MONEY all are in between 0 to 9. No other number will be there in spite of this 0 to 9. So let's take a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 0 to 9 we take any numbers. These will suit to the other number here. So the equations, when we check the equations, S plus M equal to MO, and S may have some carry also. Here some C may be there. Okay, so this is one equation which we can do, and D plus E equal to Y. This is another equation. N plus R equal to E. Okay, so N plus R equal to E means D plus E plus N plus R equal to Y, since E equal to N plus R. So approximately N value and R value will be lesser. If I take the midterm E value, let's take it as 5. I assume that E value is 5. Then 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. So it may be N value may be 2 or R value may be 2 or it may be even 15. There is a chance of N plus R equal to even, it may be N plus R equal to 5 or it may be 15 also. So we can't guess here at this moment. So these are the equations which we can say S plus M equal to plus C equal to MO, D plus E equal to Y, N plus R equal to E, D plus E plus N plus R equal to Y. So then let's start from here. D plus E equal to Y, N plus R equal to E, then E plus O equal to, one more equation, E plus O equal to N. That means N plus R plus O equal to N. some C1, some carrying will be there. So these are the terms. It may be in between these all these things. So carrying part also we have to check. So first equation, D plus E equal to Y. Y we may carry some 1 here. C1 may be there, C2 may be there, C3 may be there. Okay. So S plus M plus C3 equal to MO. S plus M plus C3 equal to MO. C3 may be 0 or C3 may be 1. CP is 0 or CP may be 1. So let M equal to 1, S plus 1 plus C3 equal to 1 and O equal to 0. So 10. MO equal to 10. S equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. S equal to 9 or S equal to 8. So whatever the assumptions which we got, first we will give the numbers for it. The first is O value. We given O for 0. 0 is for O. 0 is for O and 1 value is M. 0 is for O and 1 value is M. Then S value is 9. S value is 9. So if we keep these values, whatever we get, O value, M value and S value, any terms are there, O value is there and E and N. Okay. So we can use this equation, E plus O plus C2 equal to N. E plus O plus C2 equal to N. So O value we assumption as 0. E equal to N is not possible. Then C2 equal to 1. Therefore, if E equal to 5, N equal to 6. So I am giving E value as 5, then automatically N value will become 6. So here we got N value, E value, then R value. So this with this equation, that is N plus R plus C1 equal to E. What is E? E is 5 plus and it went to C1. That means here it is the value is 15. N value is 6 plus R value we don't know plus C1. C1 may be 1 or 0. C1 may be 1 or it may be 0. So now we have to find the R value. R equal to 15 minus 6. R equal to 15 minus 6. 4 plus 3, 9. If C1 value is 1, R equal to 8. Okay. So actually R may be 9, but already S value is there. So we assume that R value is 8. So here M value you got, 0 value you got, O value you got, M value you got, E, N, R, S. The remaining terms are 7, 4, 3, 2. So 7, 1. 7, what is 7 value? 7 is we can't say what is the 7 value. So the equations which we solved is, here there is one term d plus e equal to y, d plus e equal to, sorry, n plus r equal to e instead of r. Okay, next what we remained is S value is S is completed, M is completed, O is completed, M is completed, E is completed, then O is completed, N is completed, then R N, okay, N value we know 6, okay, this also completed, then remained is this one. D plus E equal to Y. The D value we don't know. Here Y value we know, that is the 5. Then D equal to 5 plus D equal to Y. The terms remained are 7 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there. So since C having the carry 1, C1 is having some carry, so here Y value I am taking as 12, that means Y value as 2, Y value as 2, then D plus E plus 1 equal to, sorry, D plus 3 equal to 12, D equal to 5, 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So D value we got is 7. Then comes to remaining terms, these two. The alphabets which are remained here are nothing. S we got it, M we got it, O we got it, M we got it, and E we got it, O we got it, N we got it, D we got it, N, R, E, D, Y. So what we got according to them, the S value is 9 and E value is 5 and N value is 6 and D value is 7. Then comes to M value 1, then O value 0, then R value 8, then E value 5, then here the output Y value 2, then E value 5, N value 6, 0, 1. So the overall output is 9, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 0, 8, 1, 0, 8, 5 equal to 1, 0, 6, 5, 2. So by this we completed this session. Here we converted a word send and more, addition of two words, that is money, that we decoded as 9567 1085. Total is 10652, sorry. Okay, this is the output of this particular crypto arithmetic problem. Thank you for paying attention to my session. Thank you very much.